Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your speaker EDIFIER MS50A from the application. So we need to open EDIFIER Home, and right here in the application we have no option to remove this device. So how we can do this? The first option is to turn off your Wi-Fi or your mobile internet. And now, as you can see, nothing. If I try to disconnect my speaker from my phone, it doesn't work, because it works only with Wi-Fi. The second option is to turn off your speaker. And right here at the top, we have power button. You need to press and hold it. And now, if I reopen the application, or maybe no, let's reopen it. No devices. Okay, the third option is to perform a factory reset. So look, if I right now turn on the speaker, it will reconnect with this application, because it will connect with Wi-Fi network. So we can perform a factory reset, and then your device will never connect with your application, because you need to set up this device to connect it with the application. Now, as you can see, it return. So if you want to perform a factory reset, just tap at your speaker, then go to the settings, and right here at the bottom we have restore to factory settings. Tap at this line and click confirm.
Factory data has been reset.
And right now we have no devices in the application, and to use this speaker with the application you need to again add it to the application. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video.
Now in setup mode. Follow the instructions in your device's companion app.
See you later.